Just a minute, boss. Please. I'm not quite ready to go to work. I'd like to talk to the folks out there for a minute or so.
Great guns. This is the first time I've heard a relay talk.
Talk? Why, that's all we relays do all day long. You've been hearing us for years. We don't speak words, but we have a language all our own. Hear it? That's how we talk. Give me just a few minutes so I can tell the folks about me and my family. Won't you? Please?
Well, all right. But only a few minutes, mind you. You've got lots of work to do.
Thanks, boss. Folks, do you remember the title you read up front? Switching device. That's me. I'm a sort of electrical switch, somewhat like the light switch in your home. See? Now the electric current is on, and the light burns. Now it's off, and the light goes out, because the switch cut off the flow of electricity. On, off. Well, we telephone relays work somewhat the same way. But instead of being operated by hand, like your light switch, we're operated electrically. When we're at work in the telephone offices, we switch circuits on and off, just like your light switch at home turns the lights on and off. There are millions of us telephone relays at work every day, doing all kinds of circuit switching jobs. Wherever there's telephone service, you'll find us on the job. When you make a local call, about 1,000 of us go to work for you, helping to build up a voice path to the telephone you're calling. And on long-distance calls, whew, it's almost a case of calling out an army of relays. Altogether, there are almost 200 million of us relays in service in the Bell system. But we're not all alike, for we have different responsibilities. Our family is divided into many branches. I'd like you to meet some of my brothers, sisters, uncles, aunts, cousins, and what have you. wish all 200 million of my relay relatives could be here. But I guess you'd rather have them waiting for that next call you make. And now that I'm about ready to start my career, I can't help thinking of my great-grandfather. He was one of the first of our telephone relay family. Of course, he's no longer in service. He's retired now and taking it easy.
Yes, Sonny, I'm taking it easy and I've earned it. We're not giants. We telephone relays, but we do a giant's job. We're a proud family. And when the time comes that they put you in service, see to it that you keep up our good reputation.
I'm proud of the family, too. From the very beginning. From the time it was manufactured and assembled with such care, I knew that I would have an important job to do. So here I am, ready to take up my part of the job of switching telephone calls.
Okay, then, let's get to work. In a few minutes, you'll be a telephone relay, working away with the 200 million relatives you've been talking about.
Well, anyway, acting isn't really our job. But getting your telephone calls through, that is our job. So, we'll be serving you.